really good out here in the sun. Quick test drive here. Now the steering wheel is crooked. We're going to have a lot of wind noise because you are going to have a little gap here, if you can see that. The car fired right up though. So far driving it's really nice, shifts perfect. Typical rattles, you know, everything's going to kind of shake and rattle. Nothing out of the ordinary though. We're in second gear here. It is a 4-speed. No power steering, so you got to put a little effort into it. It definitely wants to pull to the left. Now, these roads are a little bumpy. See, when I let go, it likes to pull to the left. I'm going to hit the brakes kind of hard here. Hitting the brakes. Brakes are pretty good. They're not super strong, but they're not really mushy either. So, very happy with the results on that. Gears there, nice and easy. It does, like I said, it wants to pull to the left if I let go of the wheel, but other than that, really nice driving car. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Now looking at this wheel, little scuffs here and there. Otherwise looks really good. Here on the paint, typical swirls and little minor scuffs from just everyday washing. Very light stuff. Now we do offer paint correction and ceramic coating here in-house. I think that would do wonders on this paint. Lower side looks good. Typical imperfections here and there, little minor scuffs. Looking at that top, kind of has a light yellow hue to it. Really clear on the back there. This side looks nice. Looking at that door, that looks good. Get down here in the corners, typical flaws, little crack there. Very light surface scratches here and there. Nothing big yet though. Looking at that wheel, little scuffs here and there. You see the flaws right there in that little spot. You're going to have a little bit of an orange peel look on this hood. But looking on the edges here, only a couple little rock chips here and there. It's very clean. Now right here I do see a scuff on that very edge on that body line. See a chip right here. Looking at that wheel. Overall looks good. That looks nice. Little scuffs here. Here on the top. Once again, this side looks really good. Couple markings, you know. I don't see any rips or tears. That door looks good. You can get down close there, you're gonna see those little flaws. Little markings here. A little bit of rash on the wheel. Just kind of scanning through this. In this area, I do see some scratches right there. Looking at that deck lid, a couple chips on the edge. Otherwise, it looks really good. Taillights look nice. Now here's some damage. You see some cracking in there and some ripples in the paint. Some cracking right there. So from here to there, I think that's the biggest flaw on the whole car. Everything else is looking really good. Get down under. Looks really nice. Get up under here, you're gonna see stuff like that. Just walking around the car a couple feet away, that's the biggest flaw that I'm seeing. Everything else is very subtle. All right, let's check out the interior. Here on this panel, you're gonna see some flaws there. You're gonna see a crack, little rips. Typical wear. A couple dimples, a little dingy in some spots. You have a crack right here. Looking at that trim, very minor scuffs. Looking at the jambs, I do see a crack right here. I'm gonna see it kind of making its way down there. Let's see in here, that looks really nice. Now on these seats, they do have a lot of wear. You have some large wrinkles that are starting to crack. You can see all of this here. Looking at the steering wheel, that looks really good. Love the wood grain. Looking at the gauges, all of that's looking good. Upper side of the dash, that looks nice. All of that's in great condition. A little bit of wear on the top there. A couple stains on the top. Otherwise, this interior looks really good. And here on this panel, you're gonna see the flaws here. I do see a crack right there. You're gonna see a little bit of overspray on that trim piece. But looking at that panel, got some cracking in there. Here in that jam, that looks really nice. Typical scuffs from getting in and out here. That jam looks good. Now you do have some wear on these seats, kind of dingy in some spots, lots of little wrinkles. You're gonna see the wear right there. You're gonna see it on the armrest. That looks good. Overall, the carpets are clean. Trying to get up here on the dash so you can see the details in there. That looks good. All right, we're gonna scan through this engine bay, try to get up close on some things. Here on the underside, that looks really nice.